Hello guys, and here is the simple financial projection or financial model to test various scenarios against coronavirus COVID-19. And here we can enter some basic assumptions, right, like revenue streams and COGS assumptions, and we have also seasonality, fixed expenses, wages, and variable expenses. All this will create a basic scenario or base scenario. So you see these charts with the base scenario, and here we have scenarios to add a month's lockdown. So we can have up to 3 scenarios, and we say the best scenario will be 3 months lockdown, most likely 6 months lockdown, and worst 12 months. And within this period of time we will lose 20% of revenue, 40 or 60. After this period of time we will get back to the normal values. So to the normal values is our basic or base scenario. And second option is to what we can do against revenue loss. We can decrease our operating expenses, and here is the cases. We can say 0 loss or 40, 30, 50. So you can change these numbers, up to you. Also you can change these numbers. You may say 2 months instead of 3, or 7 months instead of 6. Then first thing first, you have to create your base scenario, and thereafter work with the revenue loss and operation expenses decrease. Also you have here simplified approach to estimate your cash balance and cash balance. So we don't have any cash flow statement here. We assume that all your expenses and all your revenues are converted in cash at the same month. So the income statement is equal to the cash flow, and all we need to do is to enter our starting point, cash flow starting point, and thereafter income statement will decrease or increase this end cash point. So you will see it here, right? And these numbers shows you the ending balance of the cash at the end of 2020. Okay, and by the way, these two options will help you to, for example, you may say, if you think this will take you more than, let's say, 12 months. For example, you like to know the cash ending balance at the 2021 and run scenario analysis related to 2021. So you need to set 2021 here, and the starting months of impact will be March, or you can change it. So I believe the pandemic is started in March, so we can use it by default, but in your country it could be May or April. Okay, have a great time and enjoy with this template. Thank you.